Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Binance to the Phantom wallet. So whether you just sold your crypto or you want to move your balance into your Phantom wallet, this is the safest method that you can use. First of all, you need to launch your Binance application, then tap on the option of assets in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Over here by default you will be on the overview tab, but you need to tap on the spot tab. Now in the spot tab you are going to see all of the cryptocurrencies which you basically own. So you just have to select that particular cryptocurrency which you want to send from Binance to the Phantom wallet. It can be any of the cryptocurrencies, but I'm assuming that you want to send, let's say, SUI. So after selecting the cryptocurrency, simply tap on the option of send here in the bottom. Now select the option of on-chain withdraw. Now you will be shown this type of form in front of you. So first of all, you need to provide the address. So this is the address which you are going to get from your Phantom wallet. So here simply launch your Phantom wallet application. Now you are going to see this receive option here on the top. When you tap on the option of receive, by default you are going to see your Solana network, but we don't want that. We want SUI network. So when you tap on the drop down menu, you will find the SUI network over here. So simply copy this network from here, then come in your Binance application. Now paste the address here on the top. Then in the network simply select the SUI network, then enter the amount of SUI which you want to basically transfer from your Binance account to the Phantom wallet. So once you fill out this form with this information, simply tap on the option of withdraw in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the details and confirm your transaction. Once your transaction is completed from Binance, within 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to receive your crypto in your Phantom wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.